Hey everybody, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description of this video for some of the best online retailers. Thanks. Whoops. What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This was sent to me by Jeffrey, and I'm not sure exactly what's in here, but I mean, that's as per usual. So we're gonna find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. Large box. I don't know if there's one item in here. There's multiple. I mean, it's just hard to keep, you know, it's just the same unboxing. I gotta figure out something different to say. He never knows what's going in or what's coming in, and he always forgets everything. And he consumes way too much caffeine before he does videos, so everything just comes out as jumbled nonsense. Okay, we have a huge ball of bubble wrap, which is fine because I reuse the packing materials. And we have a note. All right, let's see here. MC, enclosed are a couple of extra knives. Oh, awesome. And, that's right. That's right. I forgot about this. In the Barnes. Okay. Thanks for what you do. Keep up the great content. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is interesting. So that was cool. Thank you very much for doing that, Jeff. I appreciate that. Let me make sure I don't want to. Okay, well, first off, we've got there is something really crazy in here, guys. Something that a lot of people have had questions about. We've got some other stuff here that I just want to take a look at. Okay, this is an artisan cutlery. I've not handled this one. What is this? I'll link it down below if I can. Well, does it say? No, but it is interesting. This is looks like it might be a less expensive artisan cutlery. I didn't know that they even did this one. It's nice and smooth. This is just G10 and D2, but okay, cool. Yeah, very smooth actually. Thank you, I appreciate that. I've always enjoyed checking out artisan cutlery's other models. We've got a Civivi here. I'm pretty sure that I have definitely handled this one if the outside of the box is accurate. Yeah, this is the Backlash. This was definitely a model that I enjoyed. I think this is one of Civivi's better models. I've absolutely reviewed that knife, and you can absolutely, as far as I know, you can still get this, so I'll link it down below. Thank you very much for sending those. That was really nice. Now, this is something that a lot of people have been asking me about, and I think there's a little bit of drama surrounding this guy. It says James right there, and you guys probably heard me say Barnes. Yeah, wow. This is that new James Barnes Integral that, well, hang on. Hang on a sec. What is this? Does it come with a little coin? Oh, okay. Very cool. So this knife is available right now. I will link it right down below. Hang on a sec. Let me... Well, it is nice. Here's the thing, guys. So, first off, I'm a huge fan. God dang it. This is going to be tough. So, let me gather myself, prepare myself to be honest, right? I have to do that with all of my content. It's very important that you guys know exactly what's in my brain. First off, this is the new James Barnes Integral. The exact name is escaping me right now. Does it say? Well, it just says James on there. So, I'm a huge fan of diamond textured titanium. This actually has a really interesting milling. Look at that. Beautiful one-piece titanium. Very cool pocket clip. And then we have a nice, I'm not sure how I feel about the neon thumb studs, but we do have a very nice simple drop point blade. That is a really good looking knife aside from the thumb studs. And the action is very, very good. This is obviously a high quality knife. Now, the issue that people have had with it is the price tag. As far as I know, this is a $600 to $650 knife that is not manufactured in the United States. I could be wrong about this, but I think these are manufactured by Riot. So, the issue that people have is, of course, with the price. It's premium, right? It's obviously a premium knife. It costs more money to make an integral knife, right? But considering some of the other things that Riot has in their line that are also titanium and integral, using the same types of materials, right? And truthfully, more complicated in terms of inlay work and shape and stuff like that, people are not 100% sure exactly how they arrived at that price tag. Now, the reason that I said I was having trouble with that is because all of a sudden I'm attracted to this. This is very much the type of stuff that I like, and they did a really nice job with this. I mean, with the handle. I mean, the way that this looks back here is just wonderful. Look at this. Solid. It's very simple and very straightforward. That price tag is still eating away at my subconscious, though. Very cool, and I gotta admit, I'm heavily attracted to this. This is cool. I wish that wasn't neon. They've got a couple different versions of this out there, but I'm going to review this, and obviously I'm going to need some time to sort of process what it is that I'm looking at, and I'm going to need to spend some time with it. Yeah, it's always hard when I see the price tag and I'm like, oh my gosh, but then I handle it and I'm like, yeah. And that's where that weird new foundation comes, like when your sense of value gets slightly altered when you handle something that you view initially as probably a little bit too high. A little bit, right? Quotes on that word, right? And then you handle it and you're like, but I like it. So where does my sense of value actually lie? It's hard. Where does it not lie? Where does it lay? Where am I in this whole value system thing? It's so easy to be thrown off because I'm not a robot, I'm a person. So, boy, this is very interesting. It's really throwing me here. I gotta admit, guys, it's really messing with me. Can't say I still, first impressions, I can't tell you guys that even after handling it, that I'm like, oh, I all of a sudden understand why it's so expensive. No, it's still very confusing, but it is nice. It's a nice size and it feels good in hand. And man, that texturing is just wonderful. I thought it was just regular knurling. That's really cool. All right. Well, here we go. A new weird type of journey. What the heck is it? It's just called the Barnes. What is this steel? I'm sure it's M390. I'm like 99.9% sure it's M390. Anyways, yeah, a few weeks down the road, you guys will get a review on this. And we'll do, as far as the knives that were donated, if you guys know what's going on with the channel, gonna have to, be careful about stuff like that in the future. But we'll have more answers down the road, and I'll update you guys on what's going to happen with stuff like this. But anyways, thank you so much, Jeffrey, for sending this to me. This is really cool, and I'm excited about it. This is the type of stuff that excites me. Stuff that's challenging to review, right? It's never difficult for me to be honest, but it is difficult for me to look over something and sort of put it together, and put all of my honest thoughts into a video that makes sense and is helpful for everybody. So that's what I'm going to do. And I don't think this video needs to be any longer. So if you enjoyed this video or you were mildly entertained by it, please leave a like. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that. Well, you can't click on it anymore. You're going to have to find it on my channel. Go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.